Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from Garden Equipment Review. Hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at the Feider FBT70 Petrol Shredder. Now this is one of our budget shredders. It's not our cheapest one, but it's one of the cheaper ones. Now this is on, for sale currently at £389.95, which offers a saving of £110 off the original price, and according to the reviews, 4.9.5 customers seem delighted with their purchase, which is great news. Now it does seem that Feider are making some quite good budget products, including this petrol shredder. Let me just state that it is a home user shredder. It's not a commercial one, but if you're a keen gardener and you want to compost your prunings, leaves and hedge clippings, it is perfect for that. Now the capacity is for 44 millimeters, which is around 2 inches. So for light prunings, it is ideal just for composting them. Prunings go through here, and then there's a bin here that comes off, and you can ideally, I'd say, put them on your compost heap. Some people like to spread them instantly, but I prefer to compost first, but that's kind of personal choice. So let's just take a look at some of the features. So it's a powerful petrol shredder for domestic use, 173cc engine, 4-stroke overhead valve engine, 2-year warranty with an optional 5 years, which isn't a bad thing. I like having warranty because I know the machine won't cost me any money apart from regular servicing. So it may be worth looking at the optional 5 years. To me, that if it has warranty, that means that the manufacturer trusts their machine. So ideal for turning your prunings into compost, suitable for green waste like leaves and hedge cuttings. Large diameter input chute, as I said, it takes 44 millimeters, as I said, so that's around about 2 inches of waste that it can chip, or width of waste. And there's transport wheels for taking the machine to work. I always like the idea of taking your machine to the work rather than bringing your materials to the work. That way you're not moving it quite so much. So that is an added bonus with a petrol engine. No trailing cable, no need for power, as you've got petrol power. So I've written a bit more down here. Also put an eBay link in case you want to look for it in eBay for shredders, but just be careful when you buy on eBay. So to conclude, I've just put regarding the warranty and the reviews. I think there's 5 reviews, and people seem very happy with their purchase, which is a good sign. Some people don't like reviews, but I use reviews all the time when I'm purchasing online. I kind of study things before I purchase whatever it is. So personally, I would look at the reviews and take note of what people are saying. And plus the 2-year warranty and the optional 5-year warranty. Some people ask, why do you do videos and just read something off a page? Well, actually, I've been working with garden machinery since, well, before I left school. I was doing garden work and always liked machines. So over the years I've built up a reasonable amount of knowledge. I don't know everything, and we never stop learning, but I'm just trying to share my knowledge with you to help you choose the machine and just see what we've got on offer here at Garden Equipment Review. If you have questions, please feel free to comment in this chat box here, or comment box rather, and I'm going to upload this video to YouTube, and you can comment on that and I will embed it in this blog post. Thanks very much for watching.